Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics effectively. Start by building a strong foundation in micro and macroeconomics. Focus on understanding the why behind each concept, not just memorizing definitions. Regularly solve numerical questions to solidify your grasp of formulas and applications. Make sure to create short, clear notes for each chapter, highlighting important terms and graphs. This active learning approach will significantly improve your comprehension and recall. Once you have a good grasp of the basics, it's crucial to apply your knowledge. Look for current economic events and try to connect them with the theories you've learned. Solving previous year's question papers is essential. It helps you understand the exam format, common question types, and time management. Pay special attention to graphs and diagrams, as they are fundamental to explaining economic concepts. Practice drawing and interpreting them accurately. Consistent revision is key to success in economics. Set aside dedicated time each day to revisit topics, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Actively identify your weak areas, perhaps through practice tests, and then spend extra time reinforcing those concepts. Don't hesitate to discuss challenging topics with classmates or teachers. Explaining concepts to others or hearing different viewpoints can clarify your own understanding. This collaborative approach can be very beneficial. On exam day, effective time management is paramount. Allocate specific minutes to each question based on its weight and complexity. Ensure your answers are well-structured, clear, and include relevant examples or diagrams where appropriate. Remember, presentation matters. Also, for some great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.